Zero. Let me get this really clear to you. I'm going to be real super clear because I've been trying to be clear and you're not hearing me. Let you have ears, my friend. Let you have ears just for a moment. I have $2 in my checking account. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Do you want my $2? As I have money, I will share it. How's that? That's the best I can tell you. I can't promise you money that I don't have possession of. I would never do that to a human being.
He is joining. He is Mr. Emon. He is my
Hi.
teammate.
Hey, how you doing? Love your energy, my friend. Yeah, you're a
Yeah.
lighthouse. I see it.
How are you, dear?
Yeah, I'm doing great. I feel so blessed. The magic surrounds and it's getting stronger by the day.
Yes.
So I'm excited about the victory that we are all in for. So
Yes.
yay.
Sorry for the late. Okay. I have a little network problem. I think you understand that. Now let's talk about the work. Actually, Mobasir Mia is my friend. Okay, we work together in a team, in an agency. Okay, we have a big digital marketing agency in Bangladesh, and he is a professional person. Okay, just 1 minute, please. ওনার ইউটিউব চ্যানেল আগেরটা বাদ দিয়ে পরেরটায় কাজ করবো, তাই তো?
উনি হচ্ছে আগেরটা তো মনিটাইজেশন চালু হইব না, আমি মনিটাইজেশন চালু করতে চাইছে, এই কারণে বলছি যে আপনি একটা নতুন একটা তৈরি করেন। পরে উনি রাজি হইছে, ওইটাও থাকবে প্লাস ওইটাও থাকবে, তবে ওইটাতে আমার তো তেমন কাজ নাই।
ওনার পুরানটাও কিন্তু মনিটাইজ করে দেওয়া যাবো, সিস্টেম আছে।
জানি, তবে উনি ওনারে
আচ্ছা,
বললাম
উনি
আর কি,
যেদিকে
ওনার অনেক
যাইতেছে সেদিকেই নেই নাকি, নতুন চ্যানেল ক্রিয়েট করে ওটার কাজ, ঠিক আছে? Okay, dear, according to discuss, my friend, I understand that you have a YouTube channel, but the channel is have a copyright strike, right?
Right.
And you want to create a new YouTube channel, yes?
We were thinking that that's probably the easiest route. And what we figured, we'd keep the one we have and we could load the videos initially up there. We could like tweak them whatever we want and then move them into the other channels. So we'd run 2 channels essentially.
Yes,
Does that
yes.
make sense?
Yes, that's great. That's the great idea. No problem, my friend. Help you to grow your channel, and he know that how to grow a YouTube channel, how to monetize a channel. I mean, he know the all hidden tips and tricks about the YouTube promotional work. Okay.
I've been impressed with his work already. And his soul. He's a beautiful soul.
Yes, he is beautiful. Actually, if you have any question about the work, I mean about the work process, you can ask me, no problem.
Okay, perfect. And just to make sure, because I know that you're like the bridge of communication for us now, just make sure that he understands. First of all, I'm super grateful for him.
Yes.
And second of all, I want him to feel like I've given him the reins. Does that make sense? I want him. I'm not a micromanager, and I believe that when our Heavenly Father brings an expert to you, you let that expert do that job. You don't
Yes.
pick at him and try to tell him how to do what he already knows. You
Yes.
follow me? And so I know that the majority of the world doesn't look at things that way, and so I want him to know that. If you can make sure that's true.
Worked on your SEO part, I mean search engine optimization, and the other promotional work. Okay, and if you want,
I don't need it. My
okay,
Heavenly
thanks.
Father brings the right people to me. There are no coincidences when it comes to me.
Okay, that's
I
great.
don't need to
Thanks.
evaluate it. My Heavenly Father has already done that.
Okay, dear brother, actually now let's talk about the price.
We talk about the price? Okay.
না, ওই প্রাইজের বিষয়ে কিছু বলি না, ওনার একটা ভিডিও এসি করে দিয়েছি, উনি খুশি হয়েছে, তবে আর কি শুধু প্রাইজের ব্যাপারে কথা বলবেন, এছাড়া ইনস্টাগ্রামে কথা বলবেন।
আচ্ছা, উইকলি বেসিস,
চ্যানেল দেখলাম আপনি উইকলি অথবা মান্থলি বলবেন।
উইকলি ধরি, মান্থলি মানে দেরি হয়ে যায়। Okay, dear brother, actually we worked weekly basis, right? Actually our charge depend on your work. Okay, at first my friend optimize your YouTube channel, then he start working on your videos. Okay, so that can you tell me what is your budget in a week?
But this is what I've looked at working out with him. Is basically we're gonna open. we're going to open the second YouTube channel. I don't know if the first one will ever actually get monetized because of all the strikes and whatnot. Who knows? If it does, either way. Basically, I'm making it where he's my partner, and so whatever we produce, I'm certainly going to share it with him. But at this point, like I explained to him in the very beginning, my Heavenly Father hasn't given me a budget for this. But I see him, and I hopefully it doesn't offend your company, but I was looking at him as being a partner with this channel, and being 50-50, where I'm the content creator and he's the master of the channel. Does that make sense?
Oh, yes. After the
After the what?
monetization, when the channel is monetized, right?
Absolutely. And from what I've seen him do, he's like a magic worker. I don't think when he works with a fresh channel and builds it the right way with the beautiful content our Heavenly Father has given us,
Oh, yes.
I don't see him having a problem reaching there pretty quick, without a doubt.
ওকে, জাস্ট 1 মিনিট। উনি বলতেছে চ্যানেল মনিটাইজ হওয়ার পরে 50-50 আপনি আর উনি, এখন কি বলুন?
দেখেন কি বললা, মনিটাইজেশন করতে তো অনেক সময় লাগে, তো এইভাবে তো কাজ শুরু করবো না।
Actually, dear, we have a lots of work to monetize the channel at first. Okay, we have a lots of hard working, dedication, and it's take lots of time. Okay.
Like I told him, at this point, I don't have a budget for it. If we need to wait for that, then I guess that's what we have to do. But I don't have a budget for it. So we've been working together just to get the message out. Because to me, the money doesn't matter. I mean, in all reality, the money doesn't matter. And also, I wouldn't be making the monetization if it wasn't for him. So I see again, I've got like over 300 videos. So we got some amazing content to get out there. And I continue to make that content. But as far as money I can give you right now, I don't have it, my friend. If we need to wait for that, then we'll wait for that. But I don't have any right now. We can continue to move forward like we've been doing. And I think, again, I don't think that'll be far off. I mean, I've seen what he did with just one video in a matter of hours. So I don't know. It's kind of like this, with my business, I actually sell marketing. Isn't that interesting? But I sell text marketing, right, in the U.S. And so when I sign up a client, I give them 2 months free, and I print signs for them. I give them to them free. I ship them to all their locations. And why do I do that? Because I know what I'm going to give them is going to be so awesome. It's going to make them enough money to be able to pay me.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Okay, listen.
And so,
actually, my friend worked on your channel 1 week. Okay. And when the work is done, I mean the 1 week work is done, then he provide you the report sheet, and you pay my friend a little. Okay.
let me get this really clear to you. I'm going to be real super clear because I've been trying to be clear and you're not hearing me. Let you have ears, my friend. Let you have ears just for a moment. I have $2 in my checking account. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Do you want my $2?
Okay. Can you please tell me what is your budget to monetize the channel?
0.
Hey, Kigo.
I have $2 in my checking account. Let me ask you to have ears one more time, my friend. I don't like to repeat myself because I don't just say my words. I have $2 in my checking account. So where's my budget? Do I have a choice to give you money or not? I have $2 in my checking account. I'll say it one more time. I have $2 in my checking account. Now we have a beautiful amount of content and amazing messages from my Heavenly Father to give the world. And we can either wait till I can pay you to do it, or we can do it as partners. It's up to you. But if I have to wait to pay you to do it, I'm not going to give you 50-50. Does that make sense?
Yes. Okay.
You'll get paid the whole way.
Okay. Understand. Okay, 1 minute.
ভেরি গুড। মানে প্রথম একটা ভিডিও ওনার কাজ করাইছে, উনি খুশি হয়েছে, ভাবছি তো এখন কাজ দিবে। উনি অবশ্য আগে 2 জনরে দিয়ে কাজ করাইছে। আপনার আমি পছন্দ করছি।
Okay, dear. We don't have the 50-50%. Okay, we don't have this. You just pay my friend weekly. Okay.
As I have money, I will share it. How's that? That's the best I can tell you. I can't promise you money that I don't have possession of. I would never do that to a human being.
Okay, what do you think about this? we don't need 50-50.
Okay.
Now you can tell me what is your budget?
Okay, let me tell you this. You send me the price tag you need to do work on this, okay? Because obviously we're changing the agreement right now.
Okay,
You
just
tell me what you need,
okay.
send it to me.